Hello, myself Tamil Chelvi, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE, K.S.Rangasamy College of Technology. Now in this video, we'll see about laser, what are the different types of lasers available and its applications. First, what is a laser? Laser, it is light amplification by the stimulated emission of radiation. Properties, it is highly directional, highly intense, highly monochromatic and highly coherent. Principle, stimulated emission of radiation. First, what is absorption? Here in this, if you see the diagram, two energy levels is being drawn. One E1, which is the lower energy level, and E2, the higher energy level. Incident radiation, photon of energy, h mu. Okay. Now, due to this incident photonic energy, if the atom available in the lower energy level, it is being excited to the higher energy level by means of absorbing this stimulated incident photon, means then it is stimulated absorption of radiation. Next, spontaneous emission. When there is a transition of an excited atom by itself to the lower energy level, means then it is spontaneous emission of radiation. During this emission, energy level of h mu is being released by an atom. Then simulated emission, if the excited atom available at the higher energy level, after it being simulated by the incident photon and then it transits to the lower energy level, means then it emits a photon of energy double the time of that of the incident photon, that is 2 times h mu will be now released by this stimulated emission of radiation. Now laser works on this stimulated emission principle. These are all the different kinds of lasers available. First one, solid state laser. Second, gas laser. Third, liquid laser. Fourth, dye laser. Fifth one, semiconductor laser. On the right side, name of this each laser is being given. For a solid state laser, ruby laser is available. Gas laser, CO2 laser and helium neon laser is there. Liquid laser, europium chelate laser is available. Dye laser, cormarine dye laser is available. And semiconductor laser, indium phosphide laser. So these are all the different types of lasers available. So what are those applications of these lasers? If you see it, laser can find a role in communication. So how in communication it works? If you see it, in optical fiber communication, laser bandwidth is very high compared to radio communication or microwave communication. So fiber optic communication is mostly preferred for the transmission of information if the information is of large bandwidth. So that is more data. If you want to transmit it, then we could make use of this fiber optic communications. So in this, light energy is this being allowed to travel over the optical fibers. Second, this laser can also find a role in industries. That is, it can used to put a hole in diamonds or in hard steel. That is, it is used to cut, drill or weld, remove metal from the surfaces and perform these operations even at by mechanical methods. And laser could also be used in medical science, that is for surgery purposes. Example, argon and CO2 lasers are used in treatment of liver and lungs, and laser surgery is used to stitch the molecules together. CO2 laser is particularly useful in spinal and brain tumor excision and kidney stone extrusion also. So laser find a place in medicine, and laser could also be used in eye treatment. Laser can also repair the detached retina, one that has broken out from the rear part of the eyeball. Okay. For removing this unwanted blood vessels on the retina, that is the thin light sensitive membrane at the back of the eyeball, for that case, the laser is being used in this treatment. And laser could also be used in military to detect an enemy airplane or ship in order to determine its distance and speed. Okay, laser can serve as a war weapon to help in destroying enemy aircraft and in missiles. So to point it out more accurately because of its coherent nature. So these are all the applications and advantages of laser. Along with that, drawbacks are also there. If you see the drawbacks, laser it is dangerous to atmosphere and health too. Laser printers are very costly compared to that of the normal printer. When running the laser machine, small amount of ozone are generated which can damage the ozone layer. Some laser particles are also known to emit particles that may cause the respiratory disease. Okay, these are all the drawbacks of laser. So we could use it only in the places where that laser is being required. So based on that application, this laser could be selected. So these are all the few questions that you could try to attend at based on that presentation. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching.